So, hi. So, in the video, we're going to look into Damn Vulnerable DeFi challenge number. I think it's 4. So, a surprisingly simple pool allows anyone to deposit the ether and withdraw it at any point of time, right? So, it has 1000 ETH in balance already, and it's offering the free flash loans using the deposit at ether to promote their systems. Start with the 1 ether in the balance and pass the challenge by taking all the ether from the pool. So yes guys, the goal is to drain the pool. Okay, the pool has 1000 ethers, and initially we have 1 ether, and we are going to drain all the ethers from the pool, and we're going to send it to the attacker's contract, right? So that's the goal of this challenge. So let's move on to the code, right? So let's first go through the code, and then we will see what is the vulnerability and how to find the knob, how to crack this code, right? So this is going to be a very interesting topic. Just stay tuned with me, right? So here is the contract. This is the main contract, and we are maintaining the balance for each account with the help of this mapping, and we have the deposit function, withdraw function, and the flash loan function. So the deposit function, what is do? So the deposit function just increments the value. Okay, value. So the address is nothing but the message to sender who calls it, and then the value is nothing but UN256, the message dot value. So amount of ether that is passed while calling this function, deposit function. So we're just updating the balance of ether for specific addresses. And we have the withdraw function. So withdraw functions withdraws the amounts to be withdrawn, right? So it extracts the ether that should be withdrawn from the mapping. And first we are going to update the state variable, then we are going to transfer the ether to the message sender who calls this function, right? So there is no any kind of re-entrancy is going to happen here, because we are updating before we are transferring it. So that's right. Next we have the flash loan function. Inside the flash loan functions, we're going to pass the amount of the loan that we are going to withdraw it from this pool, and it's going to call the execute functions from the and it's going to expect an execute function inside our contract, okay, in order to transfer the ether from the pool to the our contract. And we can make use of the ether in order to perform some, in order to execute some transfer, and then we're going to pay back the loan, right? So this is the hacker's contract. So hacker's contract, what we are doing, we are importing this pool contract with by passing the address inside the constructor. Then we have the attack contract. Inside the attack contract, we're going to call the flash loan by passing the amount, right? So it expects for the amount. So here we're going to pass entire balance of this pool. I'm going to take it as a flash loan. Once after taking it inside the flash loan, once calling this function, so it's going to execute the execute function inside the hacker's contract. So inside the execute function, we are going to immediately deposit the 1000 ether which we got from the pool straight over to the pool, right? So yeah, that's how it works. We are taking the pool, ether from the pool, and we are again depositing to the pool, and we are incrementing the mapping. Here you can see we are incrementing this, and once after that, that's it. Once after transferring, once after executing the flash loan, we are going to withdraw all the 1000 ethers from the pool, right? And we're going to transfer all the 1000 ethers back to the attacker's contract. That's how this works. And you have to make sure like you have the fallback function, because it's going to transfer 1000 ether to you while calling this withdraw function, as well as make sure like to add this payable, because we are going to receive the ether from this pool, right? So this is relatively very easy. I have already completed this challenge, but I just want to create a video regarding it. Hope so it will be useful for you. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Balamurugan signing off. Bye.